Frontline workers, listen up. Microsoft's got your back with Frontline Worker Plans. Boost your productivity, communication, and collaboration with these powerful tools. Say goodbye to office restrictions. Access Outlook, Teams, and SharePoint on your mobile device. Stay connected, share ideas, and collaborate on the go. Stay organized like a pro. Manage tasks, track progress, and nail your schedule. From shifts to inventory, own your responsibilities with ease. Security is non-negotiable. Microsoft 365 keeps your data safe and compliant. Work confidently knowing your information is protected. Frontline workers, you deserve the best. Microsoft's Frontline Worker Plans empower you to thrive. Boost productivity, collaboration, and job satisfaction. Let's go. Retail, healthcare, manufacturing, Microsoft's got you covered. Frontline Worker Plans are here to support you in your vital role. Unleash your business potential with First Distribution and Microsoft.